Hello. I'm just lying here on the stone wall next to the daffodils down below me here, and next to the compost beside me. And I'll show you my view of the sky. It's been pretty cloudy and drizzly. I thought I'd lay here above the chipmunk condominium complex and watch the barn swallows and various birds fly around. I don't see any at the moment, but a couple of flying bugs and sort of precariously perched. And just had Saki hop aboard. How you doing, buddy? And he's helped me lay down. He's got some pretty cold, wet paws, so he's gonna warm him up on me. And kind of in that sort of space of humanity here, between the beings of the ground and the beings of the sky. I find my whole body supported by the stone wall. Nice to lay down for a minute. I've been doing a bunch of shoveling for the last couple hours. I'm pretty sore from that. Well, that's okay. I'm just trying to feel into the space of the heart, trying to feel if there is space inside myself that I don't feel the heart. The heart is hesitant to go or shut out or unexpressed. I'm not particularly going to do anything about it this time, just noting, is the size of myself the same size as my heart? There's a few birds flying by there. Yeah, I'm expecting you can see them. I presume flying home for the evening. These birds. Often the geese start heading to their roosts at this hour, and the ducks perhaps as well. There's a barn swallow there. There's 2, 3, 4, 5. And the idea here is 3 more. The idea here is just to see that the heart is at least the size of the self. Perhaps expanding beyond that. You can look at the cloud formation there, sort of a zigzag, I guess. It's kind of interesting to me. Sort of here to here, to at least. And the birds for this purpose representing spirit, the chipmunks under me, felt but not seen, representing the body, and the in-between, which in this case is the body, is the heart. And I'm just inquiring. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see the clouds moving. Checking that out as well. Kind of talking through this meditation rather than doing it. Maybe I've explained it enough and I can just do it for a few moments. At least some of the flowers there beside me. It feels good to be so gently inquisitive of the heart. Maybe another look at Saki. How you doing, buddy? You want to say hi? Yeah. Was that your hello? Yeah. It was good to see you. Okay. Well, thank you very much. There's a few birds chittering along there, 4 of them. Pretty interesting behavior. Yeah, I know, I see you. Okay, thank you.